look sick. Why do they look like that? Oh, Ma, look.
He's just sitting there.
Look at these two.
I see him. They got a whole bunch of holes.
Look.
Hey, they look sick.
They're creeping along. What's the matter, dude? Oh.
Woke them up. Come on, guys. He went and laid down in the spot.
Oh, what are those?
Meerkat. Why is he still sitting there like that? We know that you're real. We do not think you're a statue. These guys are cute. They're putting on a show.
Where'd Dad go?
He's over here.
Look at that one laying over there.
Is he okay? Is he alright?
He hot. Dang, they don't have water.
I'm sure they do. Somewhere.
Look, Mama, look at this here.
Oh yeah, you could go down there and look in.